Hey everyone, how's it going? So I'm trying to get back into doing some of the Design Your Own Titans, but before I get to that, I'm going to show you guys how to draw some different characters as Titans. So for today's video, I want to show you how to draw Baby Yoda as a Godzilla Titan. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Baby Yoda Godzilla Titan, we're going to begin with the eyes. I'm going to start right here. We're going to make a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come over like this. Next, I'm going to leave some space, and we'll do the same thing. I'm going to go down, and we're going to come over like a long check mark. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and then come up. And another one right here. We're just going to go down and then up. Make a line right here. It's going to go up and over. Another one's going to go up and over. And a little line that goes down here. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up. It's going to go over and down. And another one here, it's going to go up, over, and then down for the eyebrows. Starting here, we're going to make some little curved lines underneath here. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, and that's going to come over to here for the mouth. Right here, I'll make another line that's going to go down, it's going to come over, and then up. Right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down, another one's going to go down here. Next, starting right here above the eyes, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and then down like a bump. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to go over and down, and do the same thing over here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out and then in. Another one here, we're going to go out and then in. Next, right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down and then up. And then one right here, we're going to go down and up here. And we're going to go out and then connect to here. Now for the ears, since they're really big, we're going to make a long line that's going to go out to here. It's going to come to a point. I'm going to make some little notches in here, kind of like it's been, beaten up and stuff. And we're going to curve it up to here. Same thing here, we're just going to go out really far. I'm going to go down, put a little notch or two in there, just show some wear and tear. Now we're going to bring it up. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go out and then in. And I'm just going to bring this up to here and then down. We're just going to curve this around here. We're going to go up and then down. Make another one that's just going to come around and up. Another one around and up. And we'll just add some broken lines in here. Now I'm going to add a little line that's going to go up and down here. And another one here. And then we're just going to add a few smaller teeth in here. Starting here, we're going to make just kind of like a zigzag, kind of wavy, pointed line that's just going to go around. It's going to come down a little longer here and then come right up to there. Then we're going to make a couple little extra longer lines in here for like the collar of a shirt. I'm going to connect this to here. We're going to make a little zigzag line there with a point, another one here, and then another little shape like that. So it's like a bone or something that's sticking through to connect it. Starting here, we're going to make little lines just going to go out, and we'll do another one here. Make a little wavy line that's going to go down. Another one here, it's just going to go up and down. Bring this down and over, and down and over. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up. It can be kind of wavy and bumpy. Maybe add a couple little extra lines. Then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down on each side. Then I'm going to make kind of like a zigzag line that's just going to go up. We'll bring it up to here. And I'll make another one here. We want it to look kind of tattered and beat up, so we're just going to make it come to here. So you can put lots of like points and zigzag lines in there. Now for the hands, I'm going to start here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and down, and then another one. And I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to go up and down, and then another one. Draw a line that's going to go out. It's going to come back here. Another one's going to go out, and then it's going to come back. Now starting here, I'm going to bring this down. We're going to come up to a point, and we're going to come down. Do another one. We're going to curve around up to a point, and then back down. And then one more here, up to a point, and then down. Same thing here. We're going to come down. We're going to curve around to a point and down. Curve around to a point and then down. And we'll do one more right there. And we're just going to kind of connect these kind of cuffs of his shirt to his hands. Now I want him to be kind of like floating, like, you know, he's got a lot of like psychic powers. So I want to be kind of floating off the ground. So when we do his feet, we're going to make his feet kind of dangle down. So we're just going to draw a line that's going to go down. And we're going to make a point that comes up. Do another one that's just going to go down to a point. And then we'll just bring it up. Same thing here. We're just going to come down to a point and up. And we'll make another point, and we're just going to bring it up here. So that way it looks like he's kind of using his powers to kind of almost float, like he's just so powerful. So here's our basic shape of our Baby Yoda Godzilla Titan. Now we need to come in here and add some of the different details. So I'm going to come in here and just add a few more extra lines kind of right around the eyes. Put a couple broken wrinkle lines by his face. And a couple little curvy lines up here by his nose. Add a few kind of broken lines by like his lips and around his face here. And around his eyes. I'm going to make these kind of curved, broken shaped lines right by his ears. So we're just going to make these kind of curved, broken shaped lines kind of right by his ears here. I want to make some of these lines a little longer on the collar of his shirt. So we're just going to make some of these a little bit longer, pointier. Maybe a few more extra little lines on his face and eyes or ears. I'm going to make some kind of broken lines coming across his clothes. And then what I like to do is I like to find kind of a pointy line and just make a little extra line or two on it. It's like I'll find a little point and I'll just put a little line or two up here. I want to make some curved lines on his sleeves. And we'll just kind of make some of these longer. We'll add some little curved lines right around where his hands are. We want to put some claws on his toes, and I always like to add a little extra line or two. Put some claws on his hands with some extra little lines. So put little claws on his hands. A little claw out here by his thumb. And we're just going to add some extra quick little details in here. I'm going to put some extra lines on his toes just to make them look kind of wrinkly. I'm going to do some little X's right there where his the seam of his shirt is. And then it's kind of up to you. You can add little details wherever you want to in here. You can feel free to, maybe put some little dots and stuff for some texture and whatnot, but it's really kind of up to you. You can add as much detail and texture as you want. But there you go. There is your drawing of a Baby Yoda Godzilla Titan. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.